Hey friends, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. So you all that's been following me for quite some time know how I get during this season, because we are going to be doing like so many DIYs, and there's another DIY we're going to be doing this week. So y'all know, if y'all see black, not the pre-recorded one, but me doing, like, y'all see me face, you know what I'm saying, and y'all see black, that means that we're getting ready to do a DIY. I have not forgotten about the Thanksgiving Tablescape. Now I will be showing you that Tablescape probably next week. I'm looking to really get that pushed out next week. Till then, we are going to be doing a DIY today on some lovely wine goblets. You guys have seen these wine goblets in like 5 videos. Now, if you have not seen any of those videos, and you are brand new to our community, which I already know a lot of you are, and we're so extra excited to have you, you can use any wine goblet you have at home. Some call it wine glasses. If you don't have it, you can just pick one up at your local Dollar Tree. You guys, I know that y'all Dollar Tree sell wine glasses, okay? You can find them right over here in this section. Now, when it comes down to the diamond, it's called like a gem diamond, like a diamond gem. You can just pick, it's just a sticker, you all, it's just a sticker. You can just pick this up at Hobby Lobby and you can get it for $1.99, okay? And all you do is just gonna place the sticker onto your wine glass. That's all you're going to do. And so that brings us into our DIY. You will be needing this type of brooch. I know that it has a pin on the back. All you do is remove that. And you're going to be using this flat back brooch. And you don't have to worry about removing anything because it's already a flat back brooch. I will have down in the description box below, and I will also make it a pin in the comment section where you can get these items from. Till then, let's go ahead and get started in today's tutorial. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys this week for our next DIY. Okay, my lovely friends, so let's get started in this tutorial. Once you have removed your pin from your brooch and place your gem sticker onto your wine glass, we're going to use the locking method. And the locking method works like this. You're just taking your brooch and locking it to the gem sticker where you see the pearls at. That's all you're doing to make the DIY go faster. Right here, you see me rubbing my finger. You're going to make sure that the brooch fits into those pearls. Right here, this stone right here is going to be very important for this DIY. You want to make sure that when you're adding hot glue, you're going to add it to the bottom of the brooch and anywhere where the brooch touches this wine glass, and make sure that whatever pearls you're using matches the pearl on your brooch. So now you see what I was talking about. You want to make sure that the bottom of that brooch matches that stone, because you can see right there in the center where it has that hole at. That's very important, and you want to make sure that it's slanted. Touch your brooch to make sure that it is very secure and it's not loose, but it's not going to take a whole lot of hot glue to do this DIY. And this is another reason why. You see in the inside of this wine glass, you don't see like hot glue running down or it has a white cast. That's when you know that you have used too much hot glue. So now we're going to be doing, adding in our pearl beads onto our wine glass, and we're going to do more of a tracing method to make this DIY pop and also be really easy. So when adding your pearl bead, it's not going to take a lot of hot glue because it's going to lock in. That's why it's called the locking method. So just place just a bead of hot glue just like this. and lock it into your brooch, in between the gemstone and your brooch, just like that. Very easy. Now for your next one, all you do is, before you add the hot glue, just make sure it locks in before you add your hot glue onto your pearl bead. See how it's secure? Just like that, very easy. So let's start moving up here in this area. Now here you have a better view. I have the hot glue onto the pearl bead, and you see how it locks in there? So it doesn't need a whole lot of hot glue. Very simple and easy. And let's go ahead on and finish some stuff out, and we should be finished. So we're placing another one right here on this side. Very secure. Let's go up a little bit more. So right here, I have added some pearl beads going downward, and I want to add some going up as well. So let's just add a little bit more drama, is what I call, to this DIY for my extra glamours. So let's have fun with it and just do it whatever style you want to do it. So I'm going to place some going upward up here, and then I'm going to place just some, just some of the stones on here as well. Add a pearl bead right here. Now it's time to add just a little more. So we're going to add just another pearl bead on to the top of there. It is just slightly a little bit larger. And now we're going to add in our stones just to add in some more pop to this DIY. And you can just add as many stones as you like, because this is your DIY. So I want you to take it and make it your very own. Now we have some on this side with the stones. I think that looks very lovely and very beautiful. We add some more down here. Now I'm going to have up, right there in that iCard, that you can use this gold leafing pen for the top of your DIY, just to make it look a little bit more glamorous to me. Right here, it is a gold leafing pen. So we're just going to just trace it out a little bit more, because I noticed some was missing. Now right here, I like this one better. It's a little bit less, and I have removed those. So I think this is a little bit less, and I think this is beautiful. But however, if you want to make it a little bit more dramatic, you can do it like the one I just did before. Remember to use your gold leafing pen at the bottom if you will want to. So that wraps it up, my friends. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this DIY. And guess what? I will see you in the next one. And blessings abundantly. Remember to visit our website. And I will see you guys this week.